Parcel for Mr. Ford.
Oh my god.
One lift kit.
Wow. Never seen mods before. Like actual proper ones, not just truck horns and lights.
2 different sizes.
Oh.
That's your driver's side. That's your passenger side.
Let's not cock that up. How did the Jimny fall over into the BMW?
That's what I was just about to say.
Proper driveway jobbing, as always. It's just lifted at the front.
It's not just... I've somehow balanced it on the deck. I'll deck it out more. Right.
More! More!
More height.
More! The axle stand is still in place, the rear wheel is still lifted, so I think you're okay.
I hope so.
Once we put these springs on, it's actually going to levitate 2 inches off the ground, as you can see.
Magic trick.
Oh, let's get the tools out. I do like your toolbox. It's almost as good as mine, to be honest. In fact, it's quite likely better than mine, because it hasn't got burn holes in it.
Not yet. I'm losing my wheel nuts.
Woo! Get off me nuts! Get off me nuts! Is there a reason why some cars have wheel nuts and some have wheel bolts?
Not really. I mean...
There's me asking stupid questions.
Annoying manufacturers. That's what.
And there's the spring that wants replacing.
Yeah, and the shocks that want replacing.
Oh.
I'll try and get up there to undo that bolt. That's going to be interesting. Yeah. Oh well.
It's been started, so it's going to continue until it cannot continue any further. What was your main source of motivation? The money I spent.
The money I spent, it was going in the air.
That's a wheel.
You know it because it's round.
It's really funny.
Unlike you. So now, take the weight off the springs and off the shocks.
Are they going to spring into my face?
Hopefully.
Ugh. That looks like it's putting more weight on the springs, but I'm probably an idiot.
Well, the weight is on the springs off of the shocks.
Let the professional do it. Stop
If
intervening.
it went on the wrong bolt, that would actually come undone.
Whoa.
I think.
We haven't had to use great force.
Many hopes, many prayers.
There's always angle grinders and drills.
No. No.
Oh no, Ollie's been replaced for a wheel.
Oh no.
That's really not good.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
This isn't going well.
Oh no. Oh, I can see some dirt hitting the floor. Who put that exhaust pipe in the way?
It's a bollocks.
Oh, I see, you've got to undo the top. Oh god.
Yeah.
Well, that is technically, if you're just doing the rear, halfway there. But,
Technically.
what are the fronts like?
Fronts are better.
Oh, that's good then.
I started with the rear because if it gets really bad, I can just go no.
Start with the worst bit and then nothing happens. That's a good idea.
Right, so that's the top.
Crusty.
Looking like some progress at the minute. I mean, the brake line is at its extent there.
Ah.
So much more than that. We're
Well, it's only 2 inches. I'm sure that brake line can handle 2 more inches. I think. Looks a bit tight, but that's all right. The brake line's done what it needed to do. Brake.
no braking is excellent.
2 shocks. Oh boy! Oh, that one's
New one's
shiny.
out. I hate them. You know what new parts mean? Bonfire.
Woo! I like bonfires, me.
To be fair, I haven't cut myself yet. And that is a first. New shocks, but no, we don't need that.
No.
That's
Did
added
they
expense.
provide any?
No, they didn't provide it.
Well, then you couldn't, could you?
It can't be a real requirement. Everyone's saying, you know, give the instructions to do the rear first, like I'm doing now. Get the shocks on, then get the springs in, then put the bottom shock mount on. Well, they also say get some new bolts because you're bound to have one snap.
Well, we haven't, which is actually quite a miracle.
Touch wood.
Yeah, touch my head.
Touch wood. Touch Hayden.
Touch wood. We'll be all right.
Big tools are required.
Oh my god! What the fuck?
Try and squeeze it.
Ah!
Fingers are gonna get trapped. I don't know. I don't pay attention anymore. I'm a mechanic.
This looks safe. Is this why they do it on like ramps and things?
Yeah, pretty much.
Wow.
It went to plan.
Whoa!
Another Botch Boys first.
Yeah, we're breaking so many records today. Many things. All of it's come out. No bolts have snapped. The thing has gone in. This kind of means that something really big's going to go wrong.
I'm hoping it's later with the Peugeot.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with me.
Probably will
Ollie
be.
had a successful job.
It's
Elliot, on the other hand.
It probably will be successful because that's meant to be happening later. It's got a beat and you can dance to it.
It's what the kids these days listen to.
Spring number 2. I suppose. Let's say, what if it trod on like the brake, but then again, I suppose it wouldn't really.
Yeah, I don't want to stretch the brake on the other side either.
Oh yeah, true. That's nearly there, mate. Oh, oh,
It's even lined up, look.
oh man.
We'll have a bit of that.
Spring there. Who put that there? Whoa.
This is going surprisingly well for us.
It is going really well, isn't it?
For us. This is not a Watch Boys channel.
What's going
A
on?
new channel.
Unbotched boys.
Actually went right.
Slightly less botched boys.
Ollie's on the job, North Elliot. Boys.
Was that the shock already in there?
That's the shock in, yeah.
Oh man, that was easy.
So much easier than a car.
I mean, it's clean sailing for me. There's only 2 more. Famous last words.
Famous last words. When it gets involved, there's usually an issue.
Touch word.
Oh, yeah. You got to make sure you're doing to the appropriate torque.
Oh yeah.
A 3/8 ratchet.
I mean,
And a bit of swearing, maybe.
yeah, that sounds about right. Or was it a couple of ooga-doogers?
No, I'm not ooga-doogering, it's my own car. More like a... Yep.
Yeah, that's done.
Yes, yes. Right, so I think... Put the wheel on.
Put the wheels back on and see if it sits.
Any higher. When it doesn't sit any different...
When it sits no differently, you think, oh. Yeah. Wow, look how high it is.
Look how high it's on actually can. Let's take it for a drive.
Conk conk.
Ollie and Hayden thought this video would do really successful on the Botch Boys channel. It didn't.
Everything went well, except for the video. That didn't do well.
Well, that is the highest in the
Ooh.
Let's have a look, because there's a bit more arch gap there for sure. Oh boy.
So that
is the new height.
So there's
Oh boy.
previous height, and bear in mind that's obviously got.
That was better, to be fair, than the rear was.
Oh,
Oh boy.
that's a bit taller now, isn't it? You can get a bit more. You can get a bit more of a bigger tyre in there now as well.
Definitely.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I think that was time for a...
Time for an upgrade anyway, or at least a change.
I did a quote, right, for new shocks and springs all around.
Yeah.
I think these shocks were £75 each.
Yeah.
Front ones, £100 each.
Oh my god.
Springs £60-ish all round. When you added it up, before shipping, 500 quid.
Lift kit?
£310. Next day delivery.
Much better. That's why everyone upgrades Jimnys. It's cheaper.
Boy.
To be honest though, a lot of people go, oh, you never see stock cars and stuff like that. Jimnys are one of those ones, well, where we live, you just see so many still stock.
There is loads,
and
they're driven by Margaret, 84,
yeah.
who takes it to take Tibbles to the vets.
Yeah.
Ow. Ow. Much brake line have I got? Lots.
Quite a lot on that one, that's good. Did we actually have a gander at the very brake lines?
No, we didn't.
We never actually looked at them.
We can actually probably just about see it through it. Oh, there's actually some slack.
Oh, that's
You
good.
can't really see. Oh, look, Hagden, look at this.
Look at the slack, yeah. Yeah, I can see that, mate. Well, I can see it, the camera couldn't.
No. That's all that matters.
Yeah.
When filming a botch.
When filming a video, all that matters is what you can see, not the audience.
The camera sees.
Whee.
Milwaukee fuel. What? What? Stand on the tyre.
Melt tyre.
Stand on the rubber. Well, I reckon.
So it's just now.
Drop it down, undo the top.
Top ones, springs out. Ooh, the springs nearly took themselves out.
Keep an eye on some brake line.
Yeah, brake lines are a little bit stretched.
Are they?
This side is.
Still got a bit there. Maybe.
This side's all right, I think.
I'm wondering how I'm going to get the new springs in here. Now, sensible people would have used spring clamps.
Yeah.
But I use a crowbar.
Crowbars, I think, are better than springs.
See?
What's out?
Who needs a spring clamp?
Straight out, mate.
Straight out.
Well, nearly.
I'm coming out. Actually, I'm not. I'm going to be really pain in the arse.
There it goes.
I am.
Oh yeah, we've still got the shocks to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See if these ones come undone.
So far, it's still looking good. It's just there's a slight implication with the longer springs, but it's not over yet. So might come out eventually.
I could get a ratchet spanner like this one right here.
This one I got earlier.
Well, this has gone a lot better than I planned.
Hmm.
I mean, than I thought.
Oh, we haven't even done this on a ramp as well.
I know. There isn't actually a whole lot there. You can grab a hammer.
Hammer?
I did crush my knuckle under the spring.
Oh. Another knuckle has been lost.
Thanking you. Very good.
Oh, it's already in.
Yeah, I managed to get in, but I had my finger under there.
Oh.
I was like, ow! Oh, this is the bigger one, isn't it? Ah.
Ah, this one might be.
This is where the hammer is required.
Hmm. Oh.
Right, what I'm thinking.
It's really far out, isn't it?
What I'm thinking. Think that.
If we cable tie enough cable ties on the spring to shrink it.
That is my fault. My exact fault.
Oh. Was there any
Did that
closer?
actually even achieve anything?
Just slide, little bastards.
Well, fold that one.
There's a bit of clicking there.
There's a bit of the clickety clackers. More cable ties may be required.
I mean, this is surely what the manufacturers expected us to do.
Yeah, I'm sure it was.
This is what they do in all the garages. Ah!
Oh, Hayden!
I fucked everything up again.
It's all going well. And then Hayden arrived.
Hello.
messing about.
Stop messing about. Get it done. Yes, if you remove that, you get a bit more. That way, it won't destroy.
Fucking my brake line.
Won't destroy the brake line. Ow, and it can go lower. Ah, see what you're doing.
Yeah.
So now that's out the way. Learning through error is the best way to learn. Is this actually hard because there's tyres now under it?
Oh shit.
I'm not
Well spotted. Hayden did a thing.
I spotted a thing.
I don't know where to pry it from, or why, or when, or how.
That looks like that might be enough. Oh, that's definitely close now. In fact, that's fucking there, look. It's not good the brake colour was stuck.
What have we done again? Again. No! What is going on?
What is it?
And it's done!
That is in there. Now you've just got to figure out those shocks.
That's right, I think I've got them. Spring in place where it sits in the groove, so yeah, that'll do. Torqued.
That is torqued, that's all good.
I've talked to it, I've told it, you are going to go up. Oh, let's put the brake calipers back on, that'll help.
Oh, that's a good idea. Let's see if it drops. It ain't dropped much.
I mean, yeet. Yes.
Lifted.
Oh my god.
Look,
Hayden, look at it.
it's massive.
That is off the axles, that is on the floor.
I thought to just be like, oh, we won't even notice that. No, that's definitely lifted.
See, when my girlfriend has 2 inches, she barely notices it. But look at it, you can notice it. Yes. Very much yes.
It's very big, yes. Well.
She's getting more approval than my parents have ever given me.
Oh, I see, you have to still do...
Yeah, I've still got to really torque up the wheels.